Okay, equations with fractions might sound scary, not scary. So to solve an equation with a fraction on one side, multiply both sides by the denominator. Here's how it goes. So if you had q over 4, and if you imagine q over 4 times the number 4, or 4 over 1, we cancel them out and we get q. So exactly what we've done here, we multiply by the denominator. We've got to do it on both sides, and then we get our answer. So let's check it out. Solve the equations algebraically. So we have 4x over 3. What we're going to do is multiply by the denom, 3, and on both sides, and that will leave us with 4 times x equals 8, and then we divide that by 4 to get 1, and we do the same thing to get 2x equals 2. So over here at b, we do the same thing. We're going to multiply by the denominator of 9 on both sides, and that will leave us with 4y plus 15 equals 3 times 9 is 27. And then let's subtract 15 from both sides. This is getting very sloppy, Mr. Benson. And that leaves us with 4y equals 12. And then to get to y itself, we'll divide by 4 on both sides, and that gives us y equals 3. Now you're looking at this. This is all mixed up. I can't just multiply by 2 for c, or else we're going to have trouble. So let's get rid of that pesky 4. We're going to subtract the 4 from both sides, and that will leave us with just 5x over 2, and 29 minus 4, what's that, 25. And then we're going to multiply by 2 to give us just plain old 5x, and 25 times 2 we can tell is 50, and then we divide by 5 to get just plain old x, divide both sides, and that gives us x equals 10. Similar story over here. We are going to subtract the 7 from both sides, leaving us with, careful, that minus sign still matters, 2x over 3. And 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Well, this is handy now. If we want to get back into positiveville, let's just divide by negative 1 on both sides. And we're still dealing with an equivalent equation, aren't we? Yes, we are. And then we want to get rid of that denominator, so we're going to multiply by 3 on both sides, which gives us just plain old 2x. And 3 times 2 is 6. And then when we divide by 2, we get plain old x, divide 6 by 2, and we get plain old 3x equals 3. There you go.